What's up, folks? Your buddy Fatalroadie. Today on Roadie Snacks, we're trying out some Pringles. This is the fried onion ring, exclusive to, I believe, 7-Eleven. Then Thanksgiving's coming, so we're going to try the limited edition roast turkey Pringles. And with the holidays, winter spiced cranberry Sprite. So, I was able to find the Sprite over at Walmart. Let's go ahead and try out the fried onion rings.
The following Thursday.
Almost smells like a Funyun. They don't look like they're coated, but Funyun. Not bad. I like Funyuns. I usually have to be in the mood for them, but when I do eat Funyuns, I can tear up a whole bag. These aren't bad. These kind of taste just like them. So, yeah, they're pretty good. Give them a 3.5 out of 5. Only for the matter that because I really have to be in the mood for Funyuns. But if I were to, be really into the mood for trashing them, I'd definitely take out a can of these. But they're good. 3.5 out of 5. I like them. So we're going to go and wash it off with...
Where's the Mountain Dew?
The Winter Spice Cranberry Sprite.
Hello?
A few moments later.
I'm not sure about this one. I mean, you can taste a little bit of the cranberry. I'm not sure what the winter spiced part was supposed to be. It's okay. I'm not really digging it though. I'd give this a 2 out of 5. I don't know if it's just the cranberry, if it's cranberry or whatever they're calling winter spiced, or if that's anything just to do with the name. Winter Spice Cranberry Sprite, 2 out of 5. Meh, it's alright. Finally, we're going to end Thanksgiving with the roasted turkey Pringles. Now, they were supposed to have a turducken Pringles. You were supposed to special order them. And I was trying to get them, but the site crashed, and there was a whole big debacle for that one, so...
Bruh.
I'm not even going to describe what this smells like. It was like plain chips. Definitely doesn't taste what it smells like. It tastes like turkey, and that's weird because it doesn't smell like turkey. It's pretty good. Actually, yeah, it is good. I would give it a 4 out of 5. It's not like I would break the door down to get another can of it, but it's pretty good. And just like I did the last time, I'm going to take a onion ring and a turkey one. I honestly don't know why I did that. That was absolutely awful. But anyways, 4.5 out of 5 for the roasted turkey Pringles. 3 out of 5 for the fried onion Pringles. Got this at Walmart. I found this over at 7-Eleven. And a lowly 2 out of 5 for the Winter Spice Cranberry Sprite.
Hey, what happened?
But that'll do it for this episode of Roadie Snacks. Leave a comment down below if you've had any of these, what you thought about them, or what you thought about this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I've been Fatalroadie. You've been awesome. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, if it's too loud, you're too old. See ya.